Good morning students, I am your science teacher Mrs. Puneet. Today we are going to discuss our third chapter, that is food and health. As you all know, food is a very important part of our body, and there are different components of food which are actually required by our body. These different components of foods are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. So one by one we will discuss about their importance, their sources and what are their different functions. So first of all we will discuss about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are very important part of our diet, daily diet, and from what are the actually sources of the carbohydrates? Different sources of carbohydrates are cereals, fruits and potato. Cereals includes your daily, you are eating wheat also, then rice also. Chapati you are daily eating, that is a part of your cereals. And what are their main functions? They give us energy. Their main function is to give us the energy. Next one is proteins. What are proteins now? Proteins actually are that component of food which helps in building the muscles. They help in building the muscles and they repair the different body cells. Okay, from now what are the different sources of proteins? Different sources of proteins are milk, cheese, eggs, meat, fish and your pulses. Okay, those who are vegetarians, they can include milk, cheese and pulses in their diet, and those who are non-vegetarians, that can include eggs, meat and fish also in their diet. Okay, and their main function is to build the muscles and to repair the body. Next one is our fats. As the name indicates, fats you get from the oil, butter, ghee, cream, milk and different kind of dry fruits. Dry fruits you are eating at home, cashews and badams, that all are different kind of dry fruits. Now they are, oil is there, butter is there, ghee is there, cream is there. So their main function is to give us the energy. Next one is our vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are needed in a very small amount by our body. They are not required in a big amount, they are required only in a very small amount. But they are the essential part of our daily diet. So they are required in a small amount, but it should be there in your daily diet. So vitamins, what are the different sources of vitamins? Green leafy vegetables, fruits, eggs, fish, milk. And what are the sources of minerals? Green vegetables, especially the green leafy vegetables. Fruits are there, milk is there, eggs there. Same as like the vitamins, but extra one is the salt and the minerals. So, and their main function is to give the protection to your body. For example, nowadays, as you all know, corona pandemic is going on. So different doctors are advising you to have a vitamin C in your diet. So how can you include vitamin C? You should not include that synthetic medicines in your diet. You should include the natural things in your diet. For example, you can add lemon in your diet. You can have a lemon juice daily. You can have a piece of kiwi. You can have a piece of an orange also. So try to have them in their natural forms. Don't try to go for the artificial or synthetic things. Okay, next one is last one is our roughage. Roughage we are getting from the whole grains, fruits and vegetables. What are the main function of the roughage? It helps in the removal of undigested food from the body. Undigested food, if it will be there in your body for a longer time, it will cause you a constipation. So roughage is very important for the removal of undigested food from your body. So what are the components? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and last one is your roughage. Carbohydrates we are getting from cereals, fruits and potatoes. Proteins we are getting from milk, cheese, eggs, meat, fish and pulses. Fats we are getting from oil, butter, ghee, cream, milk, dry fruits. And the function of carbohydrates and fats are same, that they give us energy, but their sources are completely different. Then proteins, their main function is to build the muscles. Vitamins and minerals, their functions are same, that is to give the protection against different kind of diseases. Then last one is the roughage, which is also an important part of the component, food component, because it helps in removal of undigested food from the body. So, I'm going to conclude my lecture here. We'll see you soon. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.